I now want to take a look at how we use a table to perform these transformations. So my first one is that translation. When we look at using a table, what we want to do in these first two columns is first we'll pick our x values, and then we'll find out what our y value is based upon that. And then this second part over here is going to be where we do that actual transformation, in this case the translation. So when I look here, I like to pick my 5 points that are going to be consistent with doing -2, -1, 0, 1, and yes, I ran out of room, but I'm going to create a fifth line and do 2. Now when I look at this graph, when I'm at x equals -2, I'm at y equals 1. When I'm at x equals -1, I'm at y equals 0. At 0, I'm at 1. And then when I'm at 1, I'm at 0. And then when I'm at 2, I'm at 1. So it kind of oscillates back and forth. Now when we talk about translating 4 units up, 4 units up increases that y value. So we're going to have our x staying the same and our y increasing by 4. So I can go ahead and recopy my -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and I'm going up by 4. So 1 plus 4 is 5, 0 plus 4 is 4, and again 5, 4, 5. So when I go ahead to regraph this, I have here -2, 5, -1, 4, 1, 0, 5, 1, 4, 2, 5. So I can go ahead and connect my dots. And I have my translated transformation or translated function. This next one is a reflection across the x-axis. So when I create my ordered pairs for my original function, I have here, once again, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. I like those numbers because they're close to the axes, they're close to the origin, and yet they're accurate enough that we'll get an accurate picture if we look at the centered around the origin. So when I'm at -2, I see here on the graph that I am here, which is at 4. When I'm at -1, I'm at 0. When I'm at 0, I'm at 2. When I'm at 1, I'm at 2. And when I'm at 2, I'm at 2. Now when we reflect, if we recall, reflecting across the y-axis means I'm going to reflect over this way, or in this case, over this way for some of the points going from one side to the other, which means that my x value is going to become the opposite and my y value will stay the same. So when I go ahead and do that, my x value becomes the opposite. So that means that my -2 goes to +2, and we have 4. Then I go from -1 to +1, 0. From 0, since opposite of 0 is 0, so we still have 0, 2. Then 1, 2 goes to -1, 2. And 2, 2 goes to -2, 2. Not -2. I apologize. I want to fix that because otherwise we're going to get screwed up, and I don't want that to happen. So then I can go ahead and plot those points. So 2, 4, 1, 0, 0, 2, -1, 2, and -2, 2. We can connect our dots. and we have our reflection.